Hi, my name is Rachel Pirelli Randolph, and I'm here with Expert Village on how to talk about self-tanning tips. And right now I'm going to talk to you about expenses. Right now, I have a foam, gel, and exfoliation, and they all are different prices. The foam is more expensive. Mine, at least, the one I bought, came with gloves, and gloves are very important because that's part of the tanning process, unless you don't want to use gloves, but I'll get into that more later. Also, the gels they take a little bit more time to get into your skin in the first layer, so they're not as expensive, but it depends on, does it have SPF? But in the end result, everything pretty much comes out the same if you do it the right way. But you want to make sure when you look in the bottles, whether or not, does it have SPF, does it come with gloves, the ingredients, that kind of sort of thing. And next up, we're going to be talking about your face and your body and how you should buy two different types of products for those two different parts of your body.